Work smarter and not necessarily harder. Hi, I'm Sumaiya, and today I'm going to be discussing the ACCA qualification, which can be your global passport. The ACCA qualification consists of 13 exams which are divided into 3 modules. The first knowledge module consists of 3 exams, after completing which you get a diploma in accounting, which is equivalent to 1 year of university education. You further move on and you complete your next 6 exams of the skills module, which enable you to get your advanced diploma in accounting. And this makes up a total of 9 exams that you must have or you would have completed so far. After this, you have an option to complete a thesis project of 10,000 words. When you do this and submit it, you are going to get a Bachelor's in Applied Accounting degree from the Oxford Brookes University, UK. You further move on and complete your next 4 exams of the professional module, which is also the last module, after which you will be equipped with an ACCA affiliate certificate. So this makes up the 13 exams of the ACCA qualification that you will be sitting and passing. There are many pluses to this qualification. Number 1, students in the Middle East can start the ACCA qualification wherever they are and whenever they want. There is no minimum entry requirement, which means you do not necessarily have to come from a commerce background. If you are from a science background, from an arts background, if you've done physics and bio, you can absolutely start the ACCA qualification today. And you wouldn't have to give any extra exams. Secondly, there is no time crunch. You can absolutely study and appear for these exams whenever you are ready. You do not necessarily have to sit on a particular day. The exams are on demand, computer-based, and you can appear for them whenever you are ready. I'm also delighted to share that 90% of our students get placed in the audit firms within 6 months of joining Quantum. For any queries and for any assistance, please reach out to us and we would be glad to assist you. Good luck.